Find the equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 0, -2 and perpendicular to each of the plane. We know that equation of plane passing through one point is a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 equal 0. It is equation of plane passing through point x1, y1, z1 where a, b, c are direction ratios of normal to the plane. Now, since required plane is passing through 1, 0, -2, then we can write equation of plane passing through point 1, 0, -2 is given by a bracket x minus x1 is 1 plus b bracket y minus y1 is 0 plus c z minus z1 is -2 0 and a, b, c are direction ratio of normal to the plane. It is equation was number 1. Since plane 1 is perpendicular to the planes 2x plus y minus z minus 2 equal 0 and x minus y means required plane. Since required plane is perpendicular to each of the planes, then we know that if two planes whose direction ratio are a1x plus b1y, whose direction ratio are a1, b1, c1, and equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1, and direction ratio of second plane are a2, b2, c2, and its equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 are perpendicular, then n1 vector dot n2 vector is equal 0 means direction ratio of first plane and direction ratio of second plane, direction ratio of first planes if are a1, b1, c1, direction ratio of second plane are a2, b2, c2, then their dot product means a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 is equal 0. Or if these vectors are in vector form, these planes are in vector form, then we can write it formula by n1 vector dot n2 vector is equal 0. Now this plane is perpendicular to this plane means direction ratio of first plane are a, b, c and direction ratio of second plane are 2, 1, -1, then 2 into A plus 1 into B plus minus 1 into C is equal 0, and it is first equation. This plane is also perpendicular to this plane, means direction ratio of first plane are A, B, C, and direction ratio of second plane are 1, minus 1, minus 1, means 1 into A minus 1 into B minus 1 into C is equal 0, and it is second, and let it is third. We solve these equation by cross multiplication method, means we write A by determinant of second order, means coefficient of V 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, then B by coefficient of C, means minus 1 minus 1, and coefficient of A 2 1, C by coefficient of A, coefficient of B, means 2 1 1 minus 1, and it is cross multiplication method. We get A by determinant of second order is solved by minus 1 plus 1, sorry, it is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, B by minus 1 plus 2, C by minus 2 minus 1, and it is equal A by minus 2, B by 1, C by minus 3 equal K, and the value of ABC are minus 2K, 1K, minus 3K. Then equation of plane is AX minus X1, means A x minus 1 plus B y minus 0 plus C z plus 2, and put the value of ABC, means minus 2K x minus 1 plus K y minus 0 plus minus 3K z plus 2, divide whole equation by K, we get minus 2x plus 2 plus y minus 3z minus 6 equal 0, and minus 2x plus y minus 3z minus 4 equal 0. Then the equation of plane two x minus y plus 3z plus 4 equal 0, and it is required plane.